Today I'm going to show you how to smock using shirring elastic. Shirring elastic is just as easy to buy as regular thread. It comes on a spool. I have black and white, but you can get them in many more colors. And with shirring elastic, you can easily smock. You often see smocking at the top of children's sundresses or at the top of skirts. In my case, it's in the back of the dress. I use it a lot on the back of dresses because I find it very comfortable to wear. It makes your fabric very stretchy. What you can do with this shirring elastic is wind it by hand, not with your machine, but by hand onto a spool. And you just put the spool in the bottom of your sewing machine and sew straight, and that's how you can smock. Here I have a piece of fabric that's 30 centimeters, and I'm going to smock a few lines in it so I can show you what it looks like. I'm going to the sewing machine. Just like with regular bobbin thread, you also pull this one up with your top thread. But you'll notice that it goes a bit stiffer because it's elastic. But once you've got it, you've got it. I'll just trim it neatly. I set it, the stitch length is just a straight stitch, and I set it to 4. The piece of fabric underneath, and just like with regular sewing, you also secure it. You don't pull on the fabric and you sew calmly. The right stitch. I'll sew 2 more so you can see what it starts to look like. So you secure it again. But this time you do need to keep the fabric a bit straight because the elastic makes it bunch up. And you need I just measured it. It was 30 centimeters. And if we measure it now, the piece of fabric is 20 centimeters. So if I sew it on stitch 4, 1/3 of the fabric shrinks. It's good to know so you can calculate what you need for your pattern. What you can also do is throw it in the dryer over it. That will make it shrink a bit more.